If you want to change icon style or shape on your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then we can install a new theme for our icons. And in order to do that, first we need to open settings. In these settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and go to themes. Now over here at the bottom, switch to icons, and then you should be able to choose one of these packs that we have available over here, but you can also switch to tab, and then on the left side we can switch from all to free so that you only have 3 most popular options. And then we can choose the theme that we like the most. So let's say we're gonna choose this one over here and then press download. After that you can apply, wait a couple of seconds, and there we go, we have new theme for our icons. Unfortunately, in this specific case, not all apps are updated for some reason, but essentially this is how we can change the icon style and shape. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!